What's up, guys? My brother is doing the dog food challenge today. Enjoy. He's eating blue buffalo duck from PetSmart. He's doing this for $20. Little kids, don't try this at home, Anthony.
I'm not going to try it at all.
Come on. And for those of you who saw yesterday's video, Max, come on, come to the camera. For those of you who saw yesterday's video, that's my little buddy. He was playing in his cart, in his new bed. Go get him more ketchup.
This makes me feel like I got a fart. Here.
TMI.
How many of you got a fart right now? 'Cause I got a fart. I bet my farts are gonna stink. Why are you talking about fart? The only thing that gets your mind off of anything is to talk about farts.
Come on. Realize you gotta clean all this up. He has ketchup on the table, meat on. Did you guys just hear that? He burped. That's freaking gross. Oh man, sorry guys, I just dropped the camera.
16,000 people each day die from dog food. Just kidding.
Come on, keep eating. Oh man, you don't like it. He just burped again. Come on. You got one more piece. Right there, one
My
piece.
last one.
He's almost done. His last one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment if you have any. Oh yeah, and Tony, you should probably leave a comment for this one. Because I know you'll be seeing this. I'm an evil brother.
Let me make my stomach settle for a minute.
Don't say that. Come on, you want this for 20 bucks. You want that 20 bucks, you gotta eat it all.
Not the whole entire
Not the whole entire roll, though.
whole entire thing.
He keeps burping, he must like it.
Nope. My burps taste horrible.
His burps taste horrible. Oh my god. Me, I'll fight for 3 slices. Nope. He's still going, guys. Sorry I'm shaking so much. But this is freaking hilarious. Come on, last bite. Or just put those both in your mouth. Last bite. Make this the last bite.
I can't put them both in my mouth. I'll puke. And then I'll lose.
Alright then, do the last 2 bites. Last 2 bites.
Last 2.
One more bite. Come on. Do this for the $20. This is freaking hilarious.
What if this was on the news?
Is it too hot? Come on, last bite. Look at that, guys. He has one more in his hand. One more. Here, drink a little tea. Drink a little tea.
No, fill us up with water.
Oh, he needs water, guys.
Keep eating, fool.
I'm a quacker.
Dog food challenge. Keep going. Dog food challenge.
Last
Keep
bite.
going.
I'm a quacker.
Last bite.
Eat it.
Last bite.
I'm gonna fart up a storm in a minute.
Gross.
Ketchup. Open the ketchup for me. Open the ketchup.
I can't.
Someone, open the ketchup.
Come on. Put that last bite in your mouth.
Last bite.
Last bite.
Should I do it? Yes.
You want the $20?
Yeah.
Then do it.
Should I fart up a storm in a minute? Just eat it.
Stop. Come on, last bite.
Doesn't this
It's taking
look
it
like
forever,
poop?
guys.
Doesn't this look like poop?
No, it looks like dog food.
Stephanie,
Come on, last bite. Stop taking forever. Come on, put that in your mouth.
1, 2, 3.
Last bite. Come on. We want to see you swallow it. Gross, he just burped again.
How many times have you burped?
He got it down. Oh my god. That was the last bite in 8 minutes. Like, share, subscribe, and share this on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat if you can. I didn't think he had the balls to do that.